Hi, we're going to learn how to use the Rich Editor bar. What you first want to do is you want to open up the forum and hit New Discussion Topic. Since this is about Rich Editor forum, and I'm going to make a video for instruction, that's going to be my subject. So now what I do is I see what I have. I have these three bars, which only appear because I clicked this toolbar toggle. So I'm going to hit it now. So if you see I only have one line now, but if I click it, I'll have three lines. I've got a lot more information. So I'm going to keep it the way I have it, and I'm going to just look briefly at it. And every square has a symbol. What that means is that every square has a unique function. Some of them look like functions you've seen if you've ever used Word. So for example, you have bold, italic, bullet, numbers, underline, where to set the indentation, to start it on the left, in the middle, on the right, and here you have the color of the font, and here you have font family and font size. Some of those should be pretty familiar from Word, and if you've used a Macintosh, you might be familiar with something like this, which means add media. But anyways, we're going to start from the beginning, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to write something. So I think I will tell you three things about me, and one of them will be a lie. The first thing about me is that I love to ski. The second thing about me is that I love hamburgers. And the third thing about me is that I am a mother. Now, I see this isn't really formatted, so I'm actually going to try to make it formatted. Okay, so now what would I do here? Let's say I want to put bullets. I'm going to select the text. I'm going to go right up here and hit bullets, which is exactly what you would do if you are in Word. So I'll write another thing. I love math. But let's say I really want to put them as numbers. So I'm going to select it and hit numbers. So I think I'll leave that right now. But what I really want to say now is I want to change the font for each one. So I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to go into the font family, and I have a list of fonts, and I'm going to pick for this one Impact Font. And I'm actually going to give it a space. Let's see. Now I'm going to go to number 2. I love hamburgers, and I'm going to give it a different font just because it's fun. I think I'll do Georgia. And my third one, I'm going to give it another one. I like Wingdings. Let's try that. No, I don't think so. Let's see. So I'll try Verdana. There. And the last one, I'm going to try Courier. I actually lost my fonts. My numbers. So I'm going to put the numbers there, which didn't work. Let's see if it works now. Now it works, but I'm getting this, so I don't like how it looks. So I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to hit this. Okay. Now, I've got 4 different things. Now, if I want, I could also change where I want to place them. I could place them way over here, but I see that doesn't really work, does it? So I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to see what happens if I put them here. And if I put them way over here, I think I've got an enlarged screen so you can't see it. So definitely don't want to do that. I'm going to put it over here. Okay. Now font size. I could change it too. I could make it really tiny. I could make it big. I like it big. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to look, going from the left all the way to the right, and explore. And then we'll play with it. So I'm going to take I love math. I'm going to bold it. I'm going to take I am a mother and indent